DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's a boy Jambisco back with another banger video. I don't know what we are doing today. You see, yo, gang. The war start. Yeah man, the war is officially on. Yeah man, the war is officially on between Demarco and Coyote. Yeah man, if you don't know, yeah man, Coyote dropped him this yesterday towards Demarco entitled Demarco and react to that and that they fire. But you see me, I don't know, a couple minutes ago, Demarco put up this post right us up on IG. You see me and say entitled Hairline. You see me and say yo, first of all, dog, look on the title, dog. The bomb plate, man, put a blood plane. A jet pan Coyote head top, dog. Man say, yo, Coyote can land a blood cargo plane pan inside. Dog. I know me say so to bomb boy. You see me and say, man say, yo, Coyote fire private, you have a private runway upon infrared. Boy, dog, you see me and say, I know me say so. You see me and say, but we will check it out and see where dog has deal with. You see me, because yo, we don't know Demarco, you know. Demarco look like he come for kill dog. You see me and say, gang, yeah, we'll check it out and see where dog has deal with that. Yo, me not like Coyote they come forward wicked. So you don't know, so Demarco will forward wicked on here. You see me and say, we see where dog has deal with. Forward.
Yo. Everything me chatting on a blood clot song ya. If I not you God, kill me, pussy. The pan belly full of condom in a.
You hear, hey yo, a big talk. You know, Demarco, you have to come forward wicked, you know, my youth. If you make them the statement, they not dog. Come in.
Yo. Everything me chatting on a blood clot song ya. If I not you God, kill me, pussy. The pan belly full of condom in the earth fit him. I know the same pan when your father jerk chicken. But them already road, baby get.
The man say the pan belly. Hey, the man say yo, I know the same pan where your father use jerk chicken in my youth. Yo, how I go on? Here, what on there?
The earth fit him. I know the same pan when your father jerk chicken. But them already road, baby get dirt with him. In my Marcus, I start war with the worst rhythm. When the rifle a turn on, boom, strike to the pig and then got trouble the soup pot. Now what time for couple?
Me not lie, Demarco come for murder dog. You see me got trouble this so pat, so that time for couple can. Come in, boom.
Words rhythm when the rifle a turn on, boom, strike to the pig and then got trouble the soup pot. Now what time for couple can, if suck a girl pussy a big yard, she say.
Coyote, I say it only good.
When me nice and some go on. And me say it I am.
No man. Demarco come for everybody but. Demarco come for everybody but dog. No man. You can't go on so dog. No man. Demarco come for everybody but dog. Hey, Demarco go like say you want to go like my biggest clash out. Weird. Demarco. Weird. No man, we hear this again.
Big yard she say.
Coyote, I say it only good.
When me nice and some go on. And me say it I am in the street face a fling. Out every cream pan face them I got cream.
Nah man. The man use your own tone, your own line. He might say, yo, what the nice so I don't mean say it to him, you know. You hear me? I don't mean say it to him. It's all like Demarco, what you think, you know. I don't mean say, I mean, hey, wait, how I go and come in. No man, that bad dog.
And me say it I am in the street face a fling. Out every cream pan face them I got cremate your skin. Nyam fuck Coyote, nyam 3 plate a him. Them beat foot on a 3 plates him break a limb. Big yard them no want see the fraud you. In girl shot.
No dog, man say you nyam 3 plate. Demarco. Yo, easy. Hey, people. Come in.
Stop him up and me attack you. Show a man box him and kick him with a broad boot. Batty boy and a me a want war you. Them a chat cap boy melon and cat. Can't tell a man that pan shell a man black. Find them for Coyote. Dead a one spot neck and pat. Then to another can.
Nah man. Yo. And then the police see him with him and everything. Yo, dog, yo, hey, bro. I'm like, the warrior, nice man. No, man, come
Man black, find them for coyote. Dead a one spot, neck and pot. Then to another contract. Step make a one bat. Yeah, me prefer one Glock. Clock them, but I never dress make up and frack. Shoulda make my friend shoot him.
Dress make up and frack. Blood. Come in, man.
Second hand shot, Echoland catch.
Come in, work paper and them blood.
And pot then to another contract. Step make a one bat. Yeah, me prefer one Glock. Clock them, but I never dress make up and frack. Shoulda make my friend shoot him. Second hand shot, Echoland catch.
Shoulda make me blow our friend shoot him, dog. Second hand shot, brother. Jeez and peace. Man, not, hey, come on. Man, you say, hey.
But I never dress make up and frack. Shoulda make my friend shoot him. Second hand shot, Echoland catch. You know see the brother ya sprat. Keckle box him down, the pussy down like tea. 10 tick a be a rifle, them a roll like we. Fully pad.
Bam, bap. Man, I like his 10 tick and kilo dog. Blood cleat, easy, no, man.
Sim down, the pussy down like tea. 10 tick a be a rifle, them a roll like we. Fully pad war better, this don't right be. Them fish out, boy, you figure out nice see. Dog, them get me dog. Pussy running at the war and dead to wrong.
Me not lie. Yo, man say you're dead already, dog. In a war, and the war just coyote. You have to go reply strong, you know, my youth. But me not even get, hey, coyote. Yo, the warrior. This gonna be a good war. This a good match. It two sang them fire, dog. Right now the war start off. Nice. You see me? Come in, man. Forward.
I'm out to say I step in my step in law. Send a better opponent for test my crowd. Dog, them get me dog. Pussy step in at the war and dead to last. Turn the rifle in your face and I hit my block. Who the can't send a fish figure test the bar. Yeah, that.
Ooh, ja. Coyote man say, yo, you fish dog and you can't contest him in my boss right now. You see me? And him say, so you know dog, you hear man lyrics right now.
Either side way, that's why you can't see straight. Me and session just a sit down and your nasty face. Him can't call Diddy Dan, can't talk to Jades. Them say bring in Pash, get a fast replace. Big yard say keep driving, pass your place. Batty boy don't stop your so, ask your taste. Pussy to the you a go.
Me not lie. Enough line and shot in this. You see me and say enough line and shot. Enough thing Coyote have to go address on them thing there. You see me and see why else Coyote go come with. You see me Coyote go address things. You see me and say, man I say, yo, who you talk about that? Hey.
Driving, pass your place. Batty boy don't stop your so, ask your taste. Pussy to the you a go dead, me a go mark your grave. Me resting as upon your jelly and say cock your ears. So you are reversing a yard. Him a big perv in a dog. Me go kill a batty boy and you me deserve the award. The man them this.
Man say boy reverse. Hey man say yo. Reverse na fool yard my youth. Me go hey bro, you can't reverse na yard. You grave a gun in a dog. You see me and say, cause you remember in a Coyote song I say yo. Yeah, Demarco use psychs in a war. As him use reverse psychology, use reverse psychology, reverse na boy yard and park up and shot boy in the face. You know so say that I say reverse na fool yard dog. I agree. Hey.
Reverse in a yard. Him a big perv in a dog. Me go kill a batty boy and you me deserve the award. The man them desert your yard. When the zig burst in my ball.
You can't park up in my gear in a dog. Reverse na fool yard dog. You a big perv in a dog. You see me I kill a batty boy. I mean give me an award. You see me I say, yo.
Can't make him live, me make them divert him a mag. Man a done them a rookie, me sang them a doofy. 5-head boy, how you come out of your mother pussy? Them no bother that.
He gone this so. He gone a mother. Well, not really a mother shot you just say, yo, 5-head boy, how you come out of But is that technically a mother shot? Let me know.
Me sang them a doofy. 5-head boy, how you come out of your mother pussy? Them no better than ragga-rookie. Right now me no want nobody come and tell me man a bully. Yo, call fully. Dog them get me dog. Pussy running at the war and dead to.
That's why nobody come tell me say nobody a bully. You can ask him comment, you know, me go up and impose, you know, impose the thing for fully bad. And I said put a good post say, yeah, 1-800 stop bullying. You see what I come here.
Your mouth say I step in my step in law. Send a better opponent for test my crowd. Dog them get me dog. Pussy step in at the war and dead to last. Turn the rifle in your face and I hit my block.
Easy. Hey, yo. This is a vibe. The song have vibes. it's a diss track. And it's a vibe, You see me, I say it have a vibe to it, full of lyrics, full of styling. You see me, and it a fire. But hey, come on, the warrior organize.
When they can't send a fish figure test the boss. Big pussy. And I can see in my future with a big blood clot forehead, batty boy. Yeah, foot I try use crap for go around the youth bus, you know.
Yo.
I shouldn't even sing no song for you, no batty boy.
But man say big red boy. Yo. You know you can see in the future. You see me, you foot type I try use craft for anything. Man I said car foot I make a post I say like say yo. Demarco afraid for clash coyote cause you see me, him and thing there, a plan up thing and all these things. So man I say yo, move from me say I think afraid for clash your dog. That's why I come. Alright man I say yo. That's why I'm this singer. Cause foot I go like say afraid. I'm not afraid. Man in the other thing I go on. You see me and say, Bomba come in foul.
Till you have song, a sing song, pussy. Fully badder than you.
Fully badder than you, dog. Coyote, I go take that. Coyote, I go take that.
Boy, they didn't know that. Boy, they didn't know that. Me think. Why didn't know the word that? Let me try and find it. You see me? Why didn't I worry? I go take that. Man say fully badder than you, dog. I take that, dog. Only thing about the one dog. The one that head, the one that shot, you know, dog. Yeah, man, the one that we cook dog mass up and go up and the works, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, the man could do him thing, man. Oh, man. Only thing about the one, I'm not dropping no comments, dog. The one that bad, the war start off nice. I'm going to see where this I go. You see me? Coyote, I go take that, man, so fully badder than you. I go take that, dog. Me ain't gonna take that at all, blood bleed. You see me? The man say, yo. Man say, everything when talk to me, it's not true, you know. If I lie, you know, God tell him, you know that. Coyote, 1 year, what go on. You see me and say, dog, man, I talk all type of things in a tune. I have to answer back. You see me and say, alright. That's all I have to say, gang. I know things in the comment section. I don't know if it's about Jambisco there. I don't have bang. Next time, take care of yourself. Guys. Out. The one house a banger.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.